Okay, so the Bank of Canada did cut interest rates by Bank of Canada later this morning on what their thinking was and what their economic forecasts are. But I would assume based on the size of the cut today that the economic outlook is dire, obviously worse than previously thought. Otherwise, they probably wouldn't have cut 0.5%. So I'll tune back in later today with my thoughts on what their forecasts are and what kind of color they provided to us with regards to what their reasoning was and why they cut 0.5%. Anyways, good news for people that have large mortgages and they're drowning in debt. This 0.5% cut will help them. This will also bring down variable mortgage rates right away. It'll be interesting to see what fixed rates does. And that'll really depend on what the forecasts say. If the market believes that a 0.5% cut was enough, the back end of the yield curve may actually rally, which would drive fixed rates up. That's what we saw in the US in September after they cut 0.5%. So we'll have to watch for that. Also driving longer dated rates higher has been the US election. As Trump takes the lead in the betting markets and the polls, that is driving longer dated yields higher because his economic platform is assumed to generate inflation. Anyways, I'll report back later today or tomorrow. Take care.